1 cup of almond flour, half teaspoon of salt, and the spices of your choice, but be sure to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Combine the salt, ketchup, and spices with 1 pound of ground chicken. Mix it all together. You'll end up with a mix perfect for making any shape you desire. You can use a muffin tin or a casserole dish or even a cookie pan to bake the nuggets on. Just make sure you grease first. Here are some fun starfish and other shaping ideas. Just remember that the larger the nugget, the longer it will take to achieve an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's a cute little heart. Let your kids help with the shapes. This is a delicious and healthy, cost-effective alternative to store-bought chicken nuggets.